some rest? Can you heal my curse? Can you take my mind away?
Most niggas stuck on the 6 speed inside their bubble, never travel out to a new scene. So that brings them motherfuckers in loose jeans. So now we got you stuck inside of the crossroad. I actually respect that you would never want more things. Just two things, always tie your shoes when they're loosening. Never go outside and catch a drip because one breeze can make it grow. Oh, what's inside of this loophole? I'm here for you. I'm here for you, here for you. But that ain't gonna kill for you. Left it all behind, right up on the hill with you. Now it's karma time, got the newest curse issue. Now it all makes sense, you prefer to blame me, so your rep will drop and blend with the lower class and broken ends. Newsflash, you're what we call a broken trend.
I need to give myself some rest. Can you heal my curse? Can you take my mind away? I need to give myself some rest. Can you heal my curse? Can you take my mind away?
Could you give me the courage? Full body outward, white coffin and flowers. 2 seats for your bourbon, playful sparkles and eyes. What a night, watch at the table. When you can
Follow these connections as shown in the video.
I need to give myself some rest. I can't see forward, giant colors, sweating when they see my car with the watermark.
Coding time. The link to the code is given in the description. But before uploading the code to the Arduino Uno, you need to install a library named the new ping library. If you don't do it, then there will be an error coming up as compilation error. Previously on Amar, I made a robot which follows objects. The same components that were used to make this line following robot have also been used to make this object following robot. So you guys can also make another project without spending any other money. So check out this video right now.